Hey, what's going on, guys? This is BareFox. Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I've got you an insane fix for the high ping in Fortnite, guys. All you have to do is just follow each and every step shown in this video today. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to do leave a like, hit the subscribe button. I'll make these helpful content. And again, guys, we are really close to 8,100 subscribers, guys. Make sure to do hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to do that. Let's move on to the video. So first of all, what you have to do is go in the description below and download all the links from there. Alright, so first of all, you have to download the PingPlotter. So here is the PingPlotter, guys. What you have to do is download this thing. Alright, PingPlotter is one of the most important thing that we need. You can download the 14 days free trial because you don't need a lot of time over here. It is just a temporary app. So first of all, what you have to do, the application would open like this, PingPlotter. Once you open this, the application look like this. Alright, so what you have to do is go over here, this block, and you have to drop it down and search for Google. So you can see a google.com over here. You have to click over that and it shall open a thing like this. Alright, now I'm gonna delete this one just because you know. Alright, so this is the new one and you guys can see the Google over here. What you have to do is click this blue button over here and it should open a list like this. Now you have to wait for a little bit of time and wait for this PL again. Now you have to wait for this PL to show up. You can see any red color you know, block over here. That means the packet loss. Now before going to that, what you have to do is run a speed test on your computer. It is really important that you have a high internet upload and download speed and as well as the low ping. Alright, now keeping all that in mind, you can see my download speed is above 100 Mbps. You guys already know. Yeah, as you guys can see, this you can see the PL is 4.8 over here. The second one, alright, just make a note of this. The second one has a PL of 4.2. Alright, so you have to find the one with the PL, that means the packet loss. You don't have to allow the packet loss in your game. Alright, what you have to do, once you have done the speed test, you know your ping is 4. I'm gonna drastically reduce your ping, guys. Believe me. Okay, what you have to do right now is just select over this and you have to note this down somewhere. So for that, what you have to do is right click and make a new text document and name it whichever you want. Alright, I guess yeah. Alright, I'm gonna open this thing and I'm gonna note it down so you can see the 2.6 packet loss over here. I'm gonna make sure to keep a note of this. So it's 10.153.128.1. okay, so we have made a note of this. Now you can close this thing. We don't need it anymore. Alright, now what you have to do is just go to your control panel and over here you have to go your network and internet connections. Over here you will see your internet options. You don't have to go over there. Okay, what you have to do is just open network and sharing center and click on your Ethernet. Now once you have clicked over there, you'll see a page like this. You have to go to your properties and over here you can I don't know if you can expand this, but you have to go and select the internet protocol. It should be by default like this. You have to go and use the following DNS, that is 8.8.8.8, and alternate should be 8.8.4.4. Once done with that, you have to click OK. Alright guys, now once done with that, close it. Now once you find this 10.153.128.1, what you have to do is open up your Epic Games launcher and over here you have to go to your settings, scroll all the way down and hit Fortnite. Alright guys, once you hit in your settings in Fortnite, you'll find an additional command like this. What you have to do is type in -reject client, REJECT CLIENT. I'm going to be writing it right on the screen right now. Alright, so you have to type in reject client and type in a slash and then copy this whole thing. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Now what you have to do is just close this thing and hit back and go to your library and run Fortnite. Now you guys can see a drastic change in your Fortnite. Okay, basically what this did is you have a command line argument, but before that you have your PingPlotter. Alright, so how this works is your PingPlotter see which IP you're facing the packet loss, and once you know what IP has the packet loss, you copy that IP and you come over here in the Epic Games and over there you go in the command line argument and over there you paste the reject that IP. So we stop gaining internet from that IP. That means we stop gaining packet loss. That means that we stop getting high ping. So that's how this thing works. I'm gonna show you the ping and I'm gonna show you the proof of this thing. Stay tuned, keep watching the video. I'm just gonna go into a match of creative. Before that, I'm gonna go ahead and change my skin. Alright, Travis Scott is gonna be good. If you guys are new to Fortnite, use my support or creator code BareFox-YT. It will be right on the screen. Alright, let's get into the creative game right now. And while we get in, guys, listen. I've changed my keyboard. I'm not on a mechanical keyboard now. I'm on a membrane keyboard. For some reason I broke my mechanical keyboard. I don't know why, it just stopped working. Just before making this video my keyboard broke, okay? So I've got this new keyboard set up. As you guys can see, my ping currently is on the screen. You can see it started with 24, but I'm gonna be showing you guys once I will load one of my island. And yep, I'm gonna show you what ping you can get. Alright, you can see it's actually going back to 17, 20 and some things like that. I'm gonna show you guys my own map. It might fluctuate when someone will be loading your map, but again, as you guys can see, if I stand still, the map is loading yet, but you guys can see my ping, it began from 40 and it is now down to 27. Alright, as you guys can see, the ping went down to 16 and 15. I'm gonna be dropping into this BHE map. As you guys can see, the ping went again to 17. But guys, that's not all. That's not actually all. What you can do even is just open this thing. Yeah, just exit all these unwanted applications that you don't want to run in the background. And yep, let me just get some of the weapons. Alright, that should work. That should work. So I guess that's a lot low ping if you guys play on Middle East. Well, just tell me now if this trick works for you. Make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to use my creator code BareFox-YT. That's gonna help me a lot, guys. Keep supporting us. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by August this year. Alright. As you guys can see, yeah, that works. That really works, guys. I'm getting constant 19 ping. Alright guys, we'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching BareFox, and peace.